Teledyne DALSA's Astrocyte, AI training made simple and cost-effective. Thank you for choosing Astrocyte, Teledyne DALSA's cutting-edge tool for creating custom AI models for machine vision solutions. In this tutorial, we'll show how to export a trained model to use with SAP era processing, Teledyne DALSA's image processing SDK, to perform inference on images. Inference is the term used in AI to describe using a model to analyze images and determine results based on confidence levels. For this tutorial, we will use a sample dataset of simple hardware, such as nuts, screws, washers and crimp terminals. If you have not already created the sample hardware dataset, follow the steps in the Astrocyte manual to do so. You can also refer to the Astrocyte dataset creation video tutorial. To begin, start Astrocyte and click on the Object Detection module. In the Dataset tab, select the sample hardware dataset. Switch to the Training tab. Make sure the sample hardware dataset is selected and click Train. The actual training time depends on your system's GPU. The training model loss and trial metrics graphs will show the training progress. When the training is complete, save the model. To test the model, return to the Dataset tab. With the sample hardware dataset selected, click Test Model. In the Test Model dialog, make sure the right model is selected and click Test. The test results will show the model performance metrics. To export the model, in the Trained Models tab, right-click on the model and select Export Trained Model. Now we can use the model with SAP era processing's AI demo. The C Pro AI Grab demo is located in the SAP era processing installation directory under Teledyne DALSA. SAP era processing, demos, executables. A shortcut to this directory is available from the Windows Start menu under SAP era processing. Launch the demo, a console window will open. Demos can use an acquisition emulator, which uses images saved to disk, as well as grabbing live images from connected cameras using SAP era LT or Spinnaker acquisition software. For this tutorial, we will use option 1, emulator and SAP era LT. When the demo dialog opens, click Load Model and select the model you have trained. For this tutorial, we are using the object detection model included with SAP era processing. To use the image acquisition emulator, which uses images saved to disk, click Load Config. Open the hardware.ini file located in the SAP era processing installation directory located under Teledyne DALSA, SAP era processing, images, AI, hardware. When using other models and datasets, you can modify this ini file to point to your own library of images. Click the Snap button to load images. In the console, the processing time statistics and results are shown. For each object identified, the results show the class, confidence score and bounding box coordinates. To grab images from a camera, select it from the acquisition device drop-down list and click Grab or Snap to acquire images and perform inference. As you can see, the object detection model performs well, even when the target objects are occluded by other objects. We hope that this tutorial will help you to use Astrocyte to create AI models and deploy them using SAP era processing for your applications. Thanks again for choosing Teledyne DALSA and Astrocyte.